Hi guys, welcome back with me again to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dark cinematic vibe for your videos using color grading in Capcut. So first thing first, you need to add your video and then go to adjust and then follow the settings. For the brightness, lower it to -5 and contrast -30. Then saturation -10. Go to sharpen and increase it to around 30. Now click on the HSL, and for the orange color set the luminance to 100 and the yellow color hue 40 and then the saturation -10. Okay, now on the green color set the hue to 100 and the light blue saturation 10, and on the blue color set the saturation 25. Now go back, go to grab and use this curve on the white color. Okay, now go back and go to highlight and add it to around 20. Click on the shadow, lower it to -5. Now temperature 25. And then click on the filter tab. Okay, filter. Click on the night scene category and then select the black gold filter to around 65. Click on the check icon and you are done with the dark cinematic vibe for your video. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and also subscribe. Bye.